All right, friends, today we are going to go over the critical thinking skill of being creative. So make sure you have your listening ears on and your eyes are faced forward, please. Real quick, let's just go over all of our critical thinking skills we've gone over before. So we have gone over being curious, being caring, being aware, how to be decisive, ways we can be honest, and how to be willing. So today again, we are going over being creative. So how can we be creative? What does that mean? So I know most of us probably think of coloring, going to art class, maybe painting, using some sidewalk chalk, which are all fantastic ways of being creative. But there are also some other things we need to think about when we be creative. So when we are being creative, we are finding new possibilities. So that just means finding new ways of doing things, finding new ways maybe to color or paint even. We are also making new and exciting original pieces. So very much like in art class, you are creating something completely new every time you go in there. We can also take something and make something new out of it. So if your friend hands you a piece of paper with maybe a smiley face on it, you then take that smiley face and add to it and make it completely new and different. Along with that, we have ideas and we are trying those ideas out. So maybe you have an idea to do a new fun game and then you go and try out that game. But remember, even if we have good ideas, sometimes they don't always work, and that's okay. All right, now we are going to watch this video on the book called The Dot. After we watch this video, we are going to do an activity that will go along with this. So please make sure you have your listening ears on and your eyes are looking at the screen. All right, now that our book is done, we can get to our activity. So when I tell you to go, you are going to grab a partner, grab an iPad, and get creative. So when you get that iPad, you and your partner will go to the app Doodle Buddy. When you open Doodle Buddy, I want it to have a nice blank page, and you are going to put a dot on the page. Using that dot, you and your partner will go back and forth and each adding something new to that page. You will have 5 minutes to complete a really cool, exciting new piece. Remember, when you're on your iPads, make sure you're using them appropriately and make sure you're not getting into arguments, please. All right, you may go.